Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking the essential items now. Power your phone off, remove the SIM, inspect for damage, and reseat it firmly. Once done, power on and confirm the operator name and settings. Make sure airplane mode is off. If account suspension is possible, call your carrier from another line to verify service. You do this first because a loose SIM or account block explains most not registered errors, so fix these hardware or account issues before deeper steps. Next, manually force registration. Go to Settings, Mobile Networks, then search and select your carrier instead of automatic selection. This forces a fresh registration attempt. Then reset or re-enter APN settings to carrier-specified values, because wrong APN can block registration for data and SMS. For dual SIM phones, verify the active SIM slot and priorities. Swap SIM slots if one slot fails. Once these steps are complete, make a test call. They address software routing issues that hardware checks didn't fix. Finally, update your phone OS and any carrier firmware. Reboot after updates because patched bugs often restore registration. If that fails, back up your data and perform a network settings reset. As a last resort, do a factory reset. This removes corrupted configs preventing registration. If problems persist, place your SIM into another phone to isolate the issue. If it registers there, the phone is at fault. If it does not, escalate to carrier tech support with a MAE and test results for a SIM replacement or provisioning fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.